The Moen Nio spot-resist stainless smart touchless kitchen faucet brings advanced technology and sleek contemporary design to modern culinary spaces. Engineered with voice-activated technology, this innovative fixture pairs with popular smart home assistants to allow hands-free operation and precise customization. Users can request exact water temperatures and precise fractional measurements, ranging from a single tablespoon to 15 gallons, making food preparation and cooking tasks completely seamless. Beyond its smart capabilities, the Moen Nio spot-resist stainless smart touchless kitchen faucet offers incredible physical versatility with its multifunctional pull-down sprayer. Equipped with power boost technology, it delivers a heightened level of water performance at the push of a button for faster filling and heavy-duty cleaning. The integrated Reflex system provides effortless maneuverability, a wide range of motion, and smooth self-retraction to securely dock the wand back into the high arc spout when it is not in use. Designed for enduring performance, the Moen Nio spot-resist stainless smart touchless kitchen faucet features a specialized finish that repels fingerprints and water spots to maintain its brilliant shine with minimal upkeep. A built-in wave sensor on the front of the fixture provides a reliable touchless activation method, preventing the spread of dirt and germs when hands are full. By combining manual lever operation, precise app control, intuitive hands-free sensors, and voice commands, this sophisticated kitchen component represents a perfect balance of architectural elegance and high-tech utility. Pros: reliable and responsive touchless sensor, sleek and beautiful modern design, convenient. Hands-free voice control integration, reduces the spread of bacteria, provides excellent water pressure, multiple useful spray and stream modes, customizable default touchless water temperature, includes interchangeable colored handles, accurately dispenses precise volume measurements, easy to install plumbing components, includes protective freeze prevention trickle. Cons: high price tag, mandatory phone app required, outdated app manual instructions, frequent lost device notifications, unadjustable water flow memory, complete failure if electronic fails, no manual handle override, hard to reach recessed hose, nozzle head made of plastic, tricky Wi-Fi setup process, high default water pressure, cannot adjust pressure via app, slight delay with manual lever, narrow range of water pressure, cannot dispense a slight trickle, voice control. Has limited usefulness features. Spot-resist stainless finish, contemporary smart faucet, touchless pull-down sprayer, voice control technology, power boost spray feature. The Moen Nio spot-resist stainless smart touchless kitchen faucet brings advanced technology and sleek contemporary design to modern culinary spaces. Engineered with voice-activated technology, this innovative fixture pairs with popular smart home assistants to allow hands-free operation and precise customization. Users can request exact water temperatures and precise fractional measurements, ranging from a single tablespoon to 15 gallons, making food preparation and cooking tasks completely seamless. The Moen Nio spot-resist stainless contemporary smart faucet S75005 EVSRS offers a sleek modern design with notable benefits such as a responsive touchless sensor, convenient voice control integration, precise volume dispensing, excellent water pressure, and interchangeable colored handles. However, it comes with a high price tag and several drawbacks, including a mandatory phone app with a tricky setup process, frequent lost device notifications, a lack of a manual handle override that causes complete failure if electronics fail, a plastic nozzle head, and a narrow range of water pressure that prevents dispensing a slight trickle.